Now you're in a unique position as an actor who's linked with men and women.
Yeah, I'm what is it called? Unisex? No, all sex.
Metrosexual
I
or
don't know.
trisexual?
I'm all
or-
sexual. All sexual. Yeah, I'm not bisexual. I'm not trisexual. I'm all sexual. Yeah. I just think if you know, sexuality is given more importance than it should. People make this because it's maybe in our culture and the way we've been brought up, it's been a taboo. And I've grown up with people of all sexuality. I'm very comfortable with men having preferences for men, men having preferences for women, whatever combination, like I said. I don't think personally I'm some doyen or authority on what sexuality should be. I just about make it myself. So I'm like, okay, you know, I'm married and I've got a pretty wife and I've got good children and it's all right. I don't know.
Then is there any truth in the rumors? Have you ever crossed the line
In terms of?
being with any of the stars that you've been linked with or any of the directors you've been linked
All of
with?
them. I've had amazing sex with all of them. I'm a sexual fiend. I find it strange that people reduce relationships to just that. And you know, I've not actually been really linked with a lot of people except for Karan Johar, which is okay. You know, I love him and I'll always love him. Which does not mean we have hot, sweaty sex. We don't. But I mean, it's fun to. We laugh at it. We laugh at it. I remember once one of the lady who used to work in a house saw Gauri and Karan lying in bed, and you know, they were chatting, and she came and told me, "Sahab, aap jab ghar mein nahi hote." So I'm like,
You're
listen.
kidding me.
Yeah, very sweetly she told me, and I'm like, listen, but I'm really jealous because Karan is supposed to be lying in bed with me.
So how do you keep the marriage extraordinary, as they say? You know, you've known her so long and you still have a rock solid marriage. You're, at least publicly, God knows what happens within, you know, I'm sure it's great, but how do you keep that magic alive?
I just don't allow her to wear short skirts. That's all.
But she wears short
But
skirts. She wears, so then...
She wears, so that's how it works. So your duty is to say, don't wear short skirts. Her duty is to wear, and I have to accept the fact that she wears them, and it's her duty to accept the fact that I just say it. And that's makes the marriage always wonderful. All jokes apart, I think in a relationship, the most important thing is space. You need to give each other space. Space also is another word for trust and love. And you really need to fill that space.
Please listen to this, boys.